The US Federal Reserve has just lowered its target interest rate by 50 basis points, bringing it down from 5.25 to 5.5% to 4.75 to 5%. This is the first rate cut since 2020. What's next? Policymakers are hinting at more cuts on the horizon. They expect rates to drop another 0.5% by the end of 2024 and possibly by another 1% in 2025. But don't expect a return to the super low rates, that is below 2%, we saw before 2022. The Fed is likely to take it slow, making decisions based on how the economy fares and what happens in the US presidential election this November. So what does this mean for the US economy? Lower rates make borrowing cheaper for everyone, whether it's businesses looking to invest or people taking out loans. This extra cash flow could boost spending and investments, giving the US economy a nice little push. How about the rest of the world? Well, advanced economies might breathe a sigh of relief. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell has reassured everyone that the US economy is still on solid ground. That's good news for countries like the UK, Canada, and Switzerland, where central banks have already eased their rates. It's a ripple effect. A strong US economy can lift others even if they claim to be unaffected by US decisions. But there's a twist. While most countries are easing up, the Bank of Japan raised borrowing costs in July, surprising everyone. With the Fed's latest move, all eyes are now on the BOJ's next rate decision on 20th September. And what about emerging markets like India? Lower interest rates in the US could mean foreign investors start looking for better returns elsewhere. This could bring more investments into Indian stocks and bonds, driving their prices higher. A lower interest rate might also weaken the US dollar, making gold cheaper for other countries. And you know what that means: more demand for gold, pushing its price up again. As foreign investors pour money into India, the demand for the Indian rupee could increase, making it stronger against the US dollar. A stronger rupee means cheaper imports but could make Indian exports a bit pricier. So, whether you are in the US, Europe, or India, the Fed's rate cut is going to shake things up. Stay tuned to see how it all unfolds.